My name is Alice Wodrisky, and I'm from Los Lunas. I've lived here for several years. Originally, I had just been coming for routine work, but the doctor that was here previously talked me into getting some braces, and we were going to talk about getting some work done. Anyway, that happened over a 2-year period, and so then I came in to see about getting, I have 2 crowns in the front, and I wanted to get those redone. And so Dr. Anderson said that he could do it, and he showed me some pictures of things that he'd done, and I was very impressed with it. And so I decided to let him do it, and I've just been really happy with the work he did. Really enjoyed coming here. It's the office staff, and as well as the hygienist, and everyone here has just been wonderful. Dr. Anderson as well. Everybody's friendly and courteous, and I really enjoy the visit. I definitely would recommend this. In fact, I have long been telling people that I really enjoy the atmosphere here, as well as it's nice because it's close to here. You know, I would recommend somebody coming from Albuquerque to come here.